To obtain a home improvement loan, it is essential to start by determining the scope and budget of your project. Before taking out a loan, create a clear and concise plan and estimate the total cost. This will help you understand the amount needed for your home development and ensure you spend your money wisely. Next, explore the various loan options available, such as home equity loans, personal loans, and government-sponsored loans, and research to find the one best suited to your needs. Checking your credit score is also crucial, as most lenders consider this before approving a loan. Obtain your credit report, review it thoroughly, and correct any errors that may negatively impact your loan application. If your credit score is low, consider building it up before applying. Assembling all necessary documents is also vital to ensure a smooth loan application process. This includes employment history, tax returns, proof of income, and property details, which lenders will use to evaluate your creditworthiness and asset value. It is also a good idea to reach out to multiple lenders, rather than limiting yourself to one, to compare their offers and choose the one that best fits your improvement plan. Once you have selected a lender, submit your loan application, providing all required documents and being prepared to answer any questions about your project, financial capability, and repayment plan. After presenting your application, the lender will review it and make a decision. If your loan is approved, the funds will be deposited into your account, and you can begin your home improvement project. By following these steps, you can obtain a home improvement loan with ease and successfully finance your home development project.